Hello, this video is going to introduce you to the Office of Student Accounts. Student Accounts is going to help you with paying your bill, accessing your bill, setting up a monthly payment plan, setting up your refund preference, and adding authorized users to be able to view and pay your student account. So to access student accounts online, you're going to go to Sage Advisor and then log in. Click on the Students heading, and then once you're at the Students main menu, which is this page, you're going to go to the Student Accounts Payment Center. In the Student Accounts Payment Center, you can do everything you would in our office online. You can make a payment, enroll in a payment plan, view your most current statement. You can add an authorized user, which is a parent, guardian, aunt, uncle, anyone you want to be able to access your student bill and make a payment on your behalf. You can also set up your electronic refunding option. So if you click on refunds, you can then enter your direct deposit information or select paper check. Just keep in mind if you select paper check that you make sure your home address is always up to date with our office. That way when we mail you a check for an overpayment, it gets to the right spot. So the fall payment due date is August 3rd. This is a copy of what your statement might look like. At the top are your charges. Below that is your pending financial aid. And then on the right-hand side at the bottom is your amount due. In this case, this person has taken out a Parent Plus loan and will actually have a credit, so they don't owe us any money. You'll notice that work study is not included on your bill. If you choose to have a work study job, you earn the money from work study in a paycheck, so it's not subtracted from your tuition. Second, you'll see that the loan amounts you borrow and loan amounts we actually receive towards your bill are different by about 1%. It's just slightly higher than that, but there's a 1% origination fee removed from your loans before they disperse. In a Parent Plus loan, that origination fee is more like 4%. On our website, you can find a loan calculator to help you figure out how much you need to borrow if you're going to take out a Plus loan and you want to include the fee. All full-time undergrad students will also have a health insurance charge on their bill. You can complete a waiver online at mystudentmedical.com if you have your own health insurance, and then we'll subtract that amount from your account once you've completed the waiver. So to contact us, you can call either campus. We have a person who works on both campuses in student services, which encompasses student accounts. You can email us at studentaccounts@sage.edu. The next steps for you would be to waive your health insurance charge if you do not need the school's health insurance because you have your own coverage. View your bill online through the Student Account Payment Center. Set it up so that someone else can see it if someone else is responsible for paying. And then take steps to make sure your bill is paid by August 3rd. So either set up your payment plan, take out a private loan, make a payment, just make sure your financial aid is all together. Everything that needs to be completed by August 3rd.